All right, AJT fam, we're going to go ahead and do a quick recap of the morning's trades and going to shut it down for now and come back after lunch and we'll see what we can do. Yesterday we had a killer earnings trade on MDB. We had a killer trade on it this morning. 5-minute opening range breakdown. It's textbook. And this is why I say sometimes you just have to be patient, and the market will bring the trades to you if it's if the market's in the right place. And right here, 5-minute candle we put in as soon as we broke the low, got short, took the first target. Second target was right here at the 50-day moving average. The third target was going to be at that time the linear regression channel was down here, and that's where we took profit on the third one. Obviously the final target was going to be the 200 right here. This is the 200 moving average on the 5-minute, but we rejected and held at the or didn't reject, but we bounced on the linear regression channel, and that was that for the move. Typically the moves will get stuffed at the linear regression channel. I like to take reversals off of them, but when we have resistance and everything so close, taking a reversal just didn't make sense. So that's the MDB trade. We took, what did we take? Yeah, Airbnb. I think that was the first one out of the gate. And that was an aggressive entry. Airbnb was a stock that had a downgrade. And I knew if we lost this, we could wash out. And that's exactly what we did. We lost it, it washed out. And I took profit right here, then it bounced back up, ended up stopping us out at break even. But this was a pretty solid base hit on Airbnb. Never really set up for me after that. It just kind of traded in no man's land. And Tesla has not been my friend today. First trade on Tesla, I got it on the break, lower day break. It did dip down a little bit, but then it got aggressively bought back up. I took it off because I did not wait for it to get under the linear regression channel. And, I waited for it to reject and actually lose this, a confirmed loss. I got in and it just whipped me out again. So didn't really lose it much on this. This was really tight. And then once I got in, this started to walk away. The market recovered. Everything was turning around. So it didn't make sense for me to sit here and hold this when everything is telling me we're going back up. So, got out here and just walked away. I'm not messing with Tesla today. It just has that manipulated feel to it, and I am not going to mess with it. But overall, I think we had a pretty decent morning. And, if we get another good earnings trade after the close today, man, that would just make our week. I could take the rest of the week off and be happy. Making up for the bad 2 weeks we had coming into December. So we're going to stay on track. So you guys be careful. This is not the time to trade. This is not the time for us to engage in trades. These stocks are not in a position to give us good trending moves. They're all trading in their channels. A lot of them are caught in no man's land. Just sit back and wait. If the market comes into view, if things start to work out, then hey, we'll be ready to go. But if not, I'm just gonna wait, see what we get for aftermarket earnings, and ride off into the sunset. So you guys have a great lunch. I'm gonna take my little break, and I'll see you guys in a few.